There's still some controversy as to when we learned just how bad the coronavirus was and how rapidly it would spread. When it did hit, it hit us like a tsunami. The number of cases and deaths skyrocketed overnight. Now, a new study suggests the number of deaths could have been sharply reduced had we begun social distancing earlier.
Our estimates are that a majority of deaths would have been prevented. Just over 50% of them would have been reduced if we had acted just a week earlier.
Working with data supplied by Johns Hopkins University, the Columbia University researcher determined that not only would there have been fewer deaths, but at least 700,000 fewer infections had the nation been told to follow social distancing restrictions on March 8th instead of a week later when the Centers for Disease Control advised against gatherings of 50 or more people. The study also revealed that the 1 week difference could have saved more than 17,000 lives in the New York metropolitan area and reduced the number of COVID-19 cases by almost 210,000.
This provides much needed evidence to show the power of physical distancing.
Dr. Anthony Santella is a professor of public health at Hofstra University who specializes in infectious diseases.
We know that especially in densely populated areas, keeping ourselves away from each other has a lot of strength and really is critical in curbing the spread of COVID-19.
It wasn't until March 13th that President Trump declared a national emergency, but it took even longer for states to order social distancing and to go on lockdown. President Trump, who was criticized for not recognizing the severity of the pandemic earlier, claimed differently when he responded to the Columbia University study during a visit to Detroit.
I was so early. I was earlier than anybody thought. I put a ban on people coming in from China. Everybody fought me on that. Columbia is an institution that's very liberal. I think it's just a political hit job, you want to know the truth.
The Columbia University study foresees a resurgence of coronavirus cases and deaths and suggests quick reimposition of social distancing and other restrictions so we don't make the same mistakes of the past. Reporting from home, I'm Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.